Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to several reasons, such as a faulty power supply or a malfunctioning battery. Ignoring this problem could lead to further damage, making your device even more difficult and costly to repair down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that's the component that's faulty. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Next, take the plastic opening tool and gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. Once the back panel is removed, you'll be able to see the internal components of the laptop. Look for the battery, which is typically located near the bottom of the device. If it appears swollen or damaged, it's likely the culprit. To remove it, unscrew the screws securing the battery in place, and gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is out, take your new battery and place it in the same position, ensuring you reconnect the battery cable securely. Then, screw the battery back into place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is secure before you replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed from the back panel to secure it. Now, plug your Lenovo Legion 5 back in and press the power button. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check your device for signs of battery wear and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also help maintain its overall health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.